Hi, my name is Alex Carlucci with GustonShow.com. If you filed a Chapter 13 bankruptcy and you're applying for a mortgage, you have to wait 1 year. If you're 1 year into that Chapter 13, you're eligible for a loan. Now, because your Chapter 13 was only a year ago, your credit score might be pretty low still. And it doesn't matter that you don't have reestablished new credit cards or a car payment, but if you do have it, your score will be higher. So for you to go get a credit card or a car payment, you have to ask the trustee for permission. Now, if they allow for you to do it, I recommend you do it if you plan on buying a house because you want to boost your score. If you're late on that credit card, you're dead in the water from getting a mortgage. So be careful if you're not ready to make those payments on those credit cards or buy it in a car. But if you do, it'll build your credit up and you'll get a better rate on your mortgage, and the approval process will be better. It'll be you have more banks you can go to. With these low credit scores right now, people are getting punished with these discount points on these rates. So you want to get up above 640 if you can. And the only way to do that is rebuilding your credit while you're in the Chapter 13, and again, you need trustee approval to do that. So hopefully your trustee lets you do it, and that's my tip for rebuilding your credit during a Chapter 13 and the benefits. Give me a call if you have any questions at 630-915-7550, and please subscribe. Again, please help us. Push a little button. That's all you got to do. It helps us help you get all around the world to help people get into mortgages. Thank you very much.